Vietnam is a country full of life. When the sun goes down, the fun begins. Imagine bustling night markets, twinkling city lights, and the sounds of laughter and music. That's Vietnam at night. From the busy streets of Ho Chi Minh City to the charming old quarter of Hanoi, Vietnam has something for everyone. Whether you love to dance, eat, or explore, you'll find something exciting in Vietnam after dark. Get ready to discover a whole new side of Vietnam. It's time to experience the magic of Vietnam's nightlife. I'm sure you've heard the news. Ho Chi Minh City, also known as Saigon, is a city that never sleeps. As the sun sets, the streets come alive with a vibrant energy. One must-visit spot is Bui Vien Street. This bustling street is famous for its backpacker vibes, street food, and lively bars. For a more upscale experience, head to District 1. Here you'll find rooftop bars with stunning city views and fancy nightclubs. Don't forget to check out the Ben Thon Night Market. It's the perfect place to find souvenirs and try delicious Vietnamese snacks. You need to hear this if you're a history buff who loves modern nightlife. Hanoi, Vietnam's charming capital, offers a unique blend of history and modern nightlife. The historic Old Quarter is a sight to behold after dark. As you stroll through the narrow streets, you'll see ancient temples lit up with colorful lanterns. The atmosphere is magical. For a taste of local life, visit the night market in the Old Quarter. You can find everything from clothing and handicrafts to delicious street food. Hanoi is also home to a growing number of trendy bars and clubs, especially around the Westlake area. You need to watch this if you struggle with finding the perfect coastal getaway. Da Nang, a coastal city in central Vietnam, is known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant nightlife. Imagine enjoying a delicious seafood dinner by the beach as the sun sets. After dinner, head to the Dragon Bridge. This iconic bridge breathes fire and water every weekend, creating a spectacular show. For a more relaxed evening, take a stroll along the Han River. You can enjoy the cool breeze and admire the city lights reflecting on the water. Da Nang also has a lively bar scene, with many beachfront bars offering live music and refreshing cocktails. This is gonna blow your mind. Street food adventures. No trip to Vietnam is complete without experiencing its amazing street food. The streets come alive with the aroma of sizzling meats, fragrant herbs, and the chatter of excited food lovers. And what better time to do it than at night, when the streets are alive with vendors? From savory pho to crispy spring rolls, the night market offers a culinary adventure that tantalizes your taste buds and leaves you craving more. There's something to satisfy every craving. The variety is endless. Whether you want a hearty bowl of pho, a plate of fresh spring rolls, or something more exotic like grilled frog legs, don't be afraid to try new things. The beauty of street food is in its diversity, and the opportunity to taste something completely new and exciting. Look for food stalls with lots of locals. This is usually a good sign that the food is delicious and authentic. The locals know best, and their presence is a testament to the food's quality and taste. Remember to bargain. It's part of the fun, and you can often get a better price. Bargaining is a common practice in Vietnamese markets, adding to the overall experience of street food adventures. It's part of the fun, and you can often get a better price. Engaging with the vendors, learning about their stories, and truly understanding the immense effort they put into their food is a deeply humbling experience. It's a reminder of the hard work and dedication that goes into creating the delicious dishes we enjoy. So, grab your friends, head to the nearest night market, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Vietnamese street food. Good appetite! If you're a dance enthusiast, listen up. Vietnam's club scene is where the high-energy beats come alive. As the sun sets, Vietnam's nightlife bursts into a vibrant tapestry of music, lights, and energy that pulsates through the streets. The club scene here is a fascinating blend of traditional Vietnamese culture and modern influences, creating an atmosphere that is both unique and exhilarating. It's all about the energy. If you love to dance, you'll be happy to know that Vietnam has a thriving club scene. The dance floors are always packed with enthusiastic partygoers, and the music ranges from international hits to local favorites, ensuring that there's something for everyone to groove to. From a myriad of diverse underground techno clubs to the allure of glamorous rooftop bars, Vietnam's club scene is a paradise for every taste. Whether you're a fan of the deep, pulsating beats of techno or the sophisticated ambiance of a rooftop bar with stunning city views, you're in for a thrill. The diversity in venues guarantees you can revel in a different vibe every night of the week. In Ho Chi Minh City, District 1 is the place to be for some of the most popular nightclubs. This area is the heart of the city's nightlife, pulsating with energy and excitement. The clubs here are known for their impressive sound systems, dazzling light shows, and top-notch DJs who create a vibrant atmosphere, keeping the crowd dancing until the early hours of the morning. Hanoi's Westlake area is also known for its trendy bars and clubs, exuding an air of sophistication and refinement. This part of the city offers a more laid-back yet equally vibrant nightlife experience. The bars and clubs around Westlake are perfect for those who enjoy a more relaxed atmosphere with a touch of elegance. You can sip on expertly crafted cocktails while enjoying live music or DJ sets that cater to a wide range of musical tastes, ensuring everyone feels included and catered to. Don't be afraid to dress up and enjoy the music. The club scene in Vietnam is a platform for freedom of expression, as much about fashion as it is about dancing. You'll see people dressed to impress, each adding their unique touch to the overall glamorous vibe of the night. So, put on your best outfit, hit the dance floor, and let the high-energy music take over. Vietnamese people love to dance, and you'll often find locals and tourists enjoying the nightlife together. This mix of people creates a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere where everyone is there to have a good time. It's a great opportunity to open up, be sociable, meet new people, make friends, and experience the local culture in a fun and lively setting, with the potential to form lasting connections. Remember to pace yourself, drink plenty of water, and stay aware of your surroundings. While getting caught up in the excitement is easy, enjoying the nightlife responsibly is essential. Keep hydrated, take regular breaks when needed, and always be mindful of your environment to ensure a safe and enjoyable night out. Whether you're a seasoned clubber or a first-time visitor, Vietnam's club scene promises an unforgettable experience filled with music, dance, and endless fun. This is why you need to experience traditional performances in Vietnam. For a unique and unforgettable experience, check out a traditional Vietnamese performance. These performances often feature beautiful costumes, live music, and captivating storytelling. One popular option is a water puppet show. These shows originated in northern Vietnam and tell stories using puppets that appear to move on water. You can also find traditional dance and music performances at theaters and cultural centers throughout Vietnam. Ask your hotel or tour guide for recommendations. These performances are a wonderful way to learn about Vietnamese culture and enjoy a special evening out. Are you worried about staying safe while enjoying Vietnam's vibrant nightlife? Staying safe while having fun. While Vietnam is generally safe, it's essential to stay aware of your surroundings and take precautions, especially at night. The vibrant nightlife can be an exciting experience, but it's necessary to remain vigilant. You can stick to well-lit and populated areas to reduce risks. Always keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas. Pickpocketing can occur in busy places like night markets or popular tourist spots. You can keep a secure bag close to your body to prevent potential thieves. Avoid carrying large sums of cash and be cautious when using ATMs. Opt for ATMs located inside banks or well-lit areas. Cover the keypad when entering your PIN, and be aware of your surroundings to ensure no one is watching you. It's best to use reputable transportation options, especially at night. Ride-sharing services and registered taxis are generally safe choices. Make sure the vehicle matches the details provided by the service and share your trip details with a friend or family member. If you need clarification on a taxi, ask your hotel or a trusted local to recommend one. They can provide reliable options and ensure you get to your destination safely. It's always better to be cautious and seek advice from those who know the area well. If you're planning to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Excessive drinking can impair your judgment and make you more vulnerable. Keep an eye on your drink to avoid any unwanted tampering. It's also wise to stay with your group and look out for each other. Always have a plan for getting back to your accommodation safely. Pre-arrange your transportation or know the route back to your hotel. Keep emergency contact information handy and avoid walking alone at night. If possible, travel with a companion. Your safety should always be a priority, and you should be able to enjoy your time in Vietnam without any worries. Vietnam, your unforgettable nighttime adventure. Vietnam's nightlife is a vibrant tapestry of experiences, From bustling night markets and trendy clubs to traditional performances and delicious street food. Whether you're looking to dance the night away, savor local delicacies, or immerse yourself in Vietnamese culture, there's something for everyone after dark. Remember to be respectful, stay safe, and embrace the vibrant energy of Vietnam's nightlife. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure that will leave you with lasting memories. If you enjoyed this video and want more travel tips, click the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of this video to support our channel. Your support keeps us going and helps us bring you more fantastic content. Also, please comment below with tips, favorite vacation spots, or travel plans. Your contributions are what make our community vibrant and diverse. Remember, you are not just a viewer, but a valued member of our journey, and we couldn't have done it without you. Your role is not just important, it's integral, and we want you to know how significant your participation in our travel community is. We truly appreciate your support. Thank you for being a part of our journey.